Guys, today we are reviewing one of my favorite things ever to eat, Texas Roadhouse rolls. So, found it in the freezer aisle. There's 12 rolls. Prep is easy peasy. 350 in the oven. It has its own little tin. And once they're done, apparently all we have to do is put the glaze over it, and they're supposed to taste yummy. These are the best rolls ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, and I'll show you how they come out. Let's take these babies out of the wrapping. One hand. Boop. How cute are they? Comes with its own tin and the cinnamon honey butter on the side. We're gonna have to warm it up with some hot water, and into the oven it goes. 30 minutes. Ta-da! So it says that we need to pour the glaze over the buns. I'm gonna go do this for a minute. And get it all in there in crevices.
It smells good.
It does smell good. It does smell good. Will it taste good?
They're piping hot from the oven as
Yes. 50, 30 minutes. Ta-da! So it says that we need to pour the glaze over the buns. I'm gonna go do this for a minute. And get it all in there in crevices.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Let's do it. They pop right out. Oh, that's hot.
Take that big bite. See if it tastes just like the restaurants or not.
They're hot.
Texas Roadhouse at home.
They're really nice buns. Nice roll. That glaze, of course, makes it extra tasty. It's just a little more dense than Texas Roadhouse. When you bite into a Texas Roadhouse roll, it's like eating a cloud. Where this, though good, it's not like the restaurants. So, I don't know, for $8 at Walmart, I would, if you have a Texas Roadhouse nearby.
I mean, they're free if you go to Texas Roadhouse. We paid $8.
If you have one nearby, go to the Texas Roadhouse. But if you don't, these are a great alternative of having it at home. So you guys, if you see it, try it.